Hey, I'm Angelo with Golden Technologies. I'm here today at MedMall. I'm going to be showing you an all-new GP303 Ally from Golden Technologies. Come on, let's go check it out. Today, I'm here at MedMall to discuss the new Ally GP303 from Golden Technologies. This unit comes in 3 different colors. We offer it in a white, a matte black, and a teal. Kind of like the one you see here to my side. What really separates the GP303 Ally compared to all other units is that it has a 330-pound weight capacity. This unit also is a lightweight folding power wheelchair. It does offer the nice leather ingrained on the top, as well as USB and micro USB charging ports right on the handle. GP303 Ally from Golden has a memory foam seat that can be easily removed with Velcro strips on the bottom. This unit can also be removed from the cover so you can easily wash this as needed. The unit itself has a footplate can be adjusted in 1-inch increments, either lower or higher. So it's about customizing the size to your own specific needs. GP303 Ally has 6 universal buttons. To power the unit up, you will hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. Once the unit is powered on, it will be in a lock mode. To unlock the GP303, simply press the power button 1 time, and now the unit is unlocked in its full 5-mile-per-hour speed increments. If I do want to go ahead and slow the device down, I can put it in novice mode by simply pressing the function button, and now it will limit the speed up to 2 miles an hour. So you do have the ability to bring it into full drive mode with the function, as well as the novice mode. You do have the ability to increase the speed with the up arrow and decrease the speed with the down arrow. You do have a honk button, but this unit will make a unique sound to let you know that it's coming down the road. This unit also has a palm drive rather than a thumb drive, so you're meant to put your entire palm on this controller when used. To activate the power, you press the power button for 3 to 5 seconds. When the unit is on, you're going to notice this very nice lithium-ion battery in the back, which will provide around 9.6 up to 10 miles of range per charge. The GP303 Ally from Golden Technologies has a removable lithium-ion battery. To remove this battery is simple. You take both the locks, bring them into the up position, unlock the caps, and slide the battery forward. At the bottom of the battery, we do have an additional charging port to charge this unit. Deactivate that battery, put it right back in, slide it in place, cap it, and turn it. That's how you reactivate the battery. Road Booter apps for the Golden Ally GP303. Once you download it to your phone, you then can actually drive your family member, significant other, or caretaker, caregiver, anywhere that you want. You have the ability to remote control, activate the unit, to power program the unit as needed. Unit, press the bar down, and the unit, bring it up, just like so. Hey, this is Angelo out of Golden Technologies. Thank you for taking a journey with me down here at MedMart on Reading Road to learn about the Ally GP303. Have a great day.